In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Webull layout. If your Webull desktop workspace feels cluttered, confusing, or just not how you want it, resetting the layout is a quick way to get back to a clean, organized starting point. I'll walk you through the exact steps and explain what each choice means so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Webull Desktop on your computer. We'll be working in the desktop app, not the mobile version, because the layout controls live in the desktop interface. Once the app is open, look for the Layout menu. Depending on your version and screen size, you'll typically find it at the top left of the window along the main menu bar, or in the left-hand sidebar where other tools are grouped. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding the sidebar or maximizing the window so the full menu becomes visible. Click the Layout menu to open its options, then select All Layouts. This is the hub where Webull stores ready-made templates designed for different trading styles and screen setups. Choosing All Layouts makes it easy to start fresh without manually moving panels around. From here, pick one of the default layout templates. Normal is a balanced, general-purpose setup that includes commonly used panels like charts, watch lists, and account details arranged in a clean grid. Day Traders is optimized for quick decision-making, with elements like time and sales, active orders, and Level 2 data placed for fast access, which can help if you're monitoring rapid price action. Multi-charts is ideal if you prefer tracking several symbols or timeframes at once, giving you multiple chart windows on screen so you can compare trends side by side. As soon as you choose a template, Webull will replace your current layout with the default setup you selected. This change affects the arrangement of panels and windows only. It does not alter your account, your watch lists, or any data tied to your profile. Think of it like rearranging the furniture without throwing anything away. After the reset, you can fine-tune panel sizes, add or remove widgets, and drag items to suit your workflow. The default template is simply a reliable starting point to get you unstuck and productive again. If your screen looks different from mine, don't worry. Webull updates the interface from time to time. But the Layout menu, All Layouts option, and the default templates remain the same core path. And that's it. Open Webull Desktop, go to Layout, click All Layouts, pick Normal, Day Traders, or Multi-Charts, and your workspace is reset in seconds.